Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm on my way to Baytown. There's a place that I was told about that might have the gears in stock for my truck. I'm looking for 410. I called around locally and no one had them in stock. And well, actually one place did have them in stock, but they were not name brand. They were like off-brand ones, and I didn't want to go ahead and get those and then later down the line have to replace them again because they were cheap and whatnot. So I called around and they told me about this place. It's called Powell Brothers. Masque is like 30 minutes away from me, so I'm on my way there. Somewhere around here. It's probably right there. Alright, so it looks like I'm here. I'm gonna try to take my camera inside. I don't know if they're cool with it or not, but I'm gonna ask before. I'm gonna take it in there and I'm gonna ask to see if I can record. If not, then I'll just show you guys what I bought after I get out of there.
HC3Z 4209L.
Alright, so I bought the Motive Gear High Performance Ring and Pinion Series 410 gears, the E10 True Track Posi, the DT components, and the bearings. I bought some shims just in case. And 3 little jugs of oil, and that should be it. Just got to take it to get them installed. Alright guys, so I was able to just record a little bit in there. The owner wasn't there, and the guy that helped me out, he said that the owner's like an old school type of guy and that he wasn't sure if he was cool with recording in there, so I was just able to record a little bit. But good thing they had everything in stock. I bought my gears, the True Track Posi, shims, oil, and bearings. So now I just got to go drop it off and hopefully get it installed today. And I should be able to be driving my truck again soon. Crossing my fingers. Cross your fingers. Let's go. Okay. if you can hear me, but I'm gonna go to the muffler shop really quick and get the exhaust, weld it back on. I had to get it cut off to take the transmission off, but good thing is it's just down straight. ¿Dónde es donde le cortó el?
Acá donde termina el...
Oh, ahí. Ah, ok. So I'm getting my muffler, welded back on. It was just cut for a little bit. It was a small cut actually, so I could get the transmission down. It's a quick, easy fix. Shouldn't take that long. Now that I'm here, I'm gonna get this raised up. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get this raised up, maybe about an inch and a half. So I think it hangs too low right now. I mean, that's what the kit came with from Corsa, the hanger. It was already welded on. Now if we get it cut and raised up a little bit. Yo creo sí.
Ya no está tan...
Poquitito más si se puede. Ahí está bien.
¿Sí?
Ahí está bien. That looks better. Alright, time to go back to the shop. I still can't dog the truck or anything till I reach like another 100 miles to break it in. Right now I'm at 152,906. So I think about 153,000 miles. I should be able to step on it pretty good.